How to start a conversation on Bumble. Hello everyone, this is Rishma and welcome back to How to Guide YouTube channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to guide you how to start a conversation on Bumble. Before getting started, please make sure you have a stable internet connection. First, you need to go to your Bumble application. Then this kind of screen interface will be appear on your screen. On this discovery feed, you can easily swipe right if you like the person or swipe left if you don't like the person. On the bottom, you can see different icon. Tap on the chat icon on the bottom as this will lead to you this kind of screen interface where you can see the matches here and your chat list. One thing that you have to remember while using a Bumble that you can only message with your matches. Simply tap on the match with whom you want to start a conversation. Start your conversation with them with formal greetings like hi, hello. Type the message and tap on send button and you have easily sent your first text to your match. And that is how you can easily start a conversation with your match on Bumble. Comment us on the comment section if you have any doubt or queries related to this topic. And that was it for this video. If you found the tutorial video informative and easy, do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. And also press the notification bell so you won't be missing any update from us.